Hey everyone! Welcome back to Beauty Problems and Solutions channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's very important to all of us, skincare routine. Taking care of your skin is essential to maintaining its health and radiance. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of building the perfect skincare routine. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Cleansing helps to remove any impurities or dirt that may have accumulated on your skin. To cleanse your skin, start by wetting your face with lukewarm water, and then apply your chosen cleanser. Gently massage the cleanser into your skin for about a minute, making sure to cover your entire face. After you're done, rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a towel. Step 2. Toning. The second step in a skincare routine is toning. Toning helps to remove any residual dirt and helps to balance your skin's pH levels. To tone your skin, apply your chosen toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face. Make sure to avoid the eye area, as it's very sensitive. Step 3. Serum. Serum is the third step in a skincare routine. Serums contain active ingredients that can help to target specific skin concerns. To apply serum, take a small amount and gently massage it into your skin using upward strokes. Make sure to let it absorb fully into your skin before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Eye cream. Eye cream is the fourth step in a skincare routine. The skin around your eyes is very delicate, and eye cream helps to keep it hydrated and protected. To apply eye cream, take a small amount and gently pat it around your eyes using your ring finger. Step 5. Moisturizer. Moisturizer is the fifth and final step in a skincare routine. Moisturizer helps to hydrate and protect your skin from environmental stressors. To apply moisturizer, take a small amount and gently massage it into your skin using upward strokes. Conclusion. And that's it, our 5-step skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick to your routine, and you'll be rewarded with healthy, radiant skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you with our next video. Please remember to subscribe for more.